Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix this app is not currently not available in your country or region. For example, if you try to download an app which is available on App Store, but as you click on that, this shows app not available. This app is currently not available in your country or region. So how you can fix that? For example, as you click on the app, you see this kind of error. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings. And in settings, you have to simply go back and you have to simply go to general. And in general, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply click on reset and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network settings, you have to simply go back. Now what you have to do, you have to simply go to the app detail. And here what you have to do, you have to simply check whether that app is available in which countries or region. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply change your country or region from the App Store. And after that, you have to check again whether that app is still available or not. So if you want to change your country or region, then you have to simply go to settings, and after that you have to simply go to name and Apple ID, and here you have to simply go to media and purchases, and after that you have to provide your password, and you have to follow the process according to how you can simply change your country or region. So you can simply find a video related to how to change your country or region on iPhone without the payment method on our channel, so you can also check for that. So after changing the region, you have to simply check again whether your problem has been solved or not. If the problem is still there, then what you have to do, you have to simply open the browser or any kind of browser you have. So here you have to simply search for the alternatives of that app, because that app is not working or not available in your country. So you have to simply search for the alternatives of that app, and after that you can simply enjoy the same app on your iPhone without any problems. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our